jingle bell rock, jingle bell swing.
Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And we have another project using boxes 6 to 10, and today we're going to be making this gorgeous Christmas Joy shaker card. So we're using the die set that we got in number 7, and it was the textures die set, and we have one more box to make a project with the boxes 6 to 10, and this one is number 10, and it is this stamp set here. So keep a lookout for tomorrow at 6 p.m. and we'll be making a project with this box here. So let's get on and make this beautiful circle joy shaker card. I have cut everything ready, but I'm going to tell you the other products that I'm going to be using to make this card. So I'm using the free set from the Die Cutting Essentials issue 107, and with this we got some Creative Craft shaker domes and an A7 stamp set to go with that. So we're using the shaker domes, and also we get some dies, and I'm using the circle die out of this. Made to Surprise 3D display cards and stand die set. So I'm using the circles and the scallop inner circle, and this one here is from that free die set. I'm also using Simply Made Crafts medium poinsettia die set, and I've cut them ready. And then I found this in my stash, and I can't remember which magazine I got it from. So you're going to need a card base, and this is, I believe, 6 3/4 inch squared card, and I got this from the range. I've used the largest circle, and I placed that onto my card base, and along the fold here I'm going to have the circle die just hanging over my card, so then it will only cut this section here and not there. Okay, and then when you run that through your die cutter machine, you have your circle card base. Then what you need to do is die cut another white piece of card with that biggest die. I got the next size die down from this set here, and this has the stitch edge to it, and I die cut out this lilac cardstock. Okay, then the scallop one, I die cut out the center of that lilac card. For my patterned paper, I wanted it to be slightly smaller than the scallop circle, because I thought it would be nice just for that white to be peeking through. So then I die cut that out with that next circle. Then I die cut out some gold glitter cardstock with the free die that I got in the magazine, and I cut that out, and then that will fit around my shaker dome. Okay, start off with our largest circle, and we're going to attach that to the front of our card base, and we're going to stick that one down. So I've added my adhesive already, like so, and then fold that over. Okay, so then this bit here will just overhang the top of our card. So now we're going to add our next one, so that's going to go there. Then we've got the patterned paper, and that's going to go in the middle there. Then we need to add our word into our dome, so I'm going to try and get this as central as I can. So I'm going to pop the joy in the middle. So I've added that now, and it looks about central with my shaker dome. So I need to add some sequins in there before I add this. So I've got these white sequins that I got from the range, I think it was. I'm gonna pop some in there, and I might just add a few gold ones as well. So I've added some adhesive to the back of my dome, so let's pop that on. Then I'm going to get the gold frame and I'm going to glue that over the top. Okay, and then that's that now added. And then finally we just need to add our poinsettias. So I'm going to add one, the largest one here, and then the smallest one I'm going to add there. Okay, so there we go. And then I've just added some of the sequins on the front here as well. And isn't that absolutely beautiful? Love it. And then I've just trimmed the bottom here, just so that when you stand it up, it won't rock. Okay, so there we go, guys. That is this beautiful joy card using Papercraft Society's box number 7, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a go. And join me again tomorrow for another opening in the morning, and then tomorrow night we will have the last box from 6 to 10. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing.